Uba Neil Antonio War MDC na like mkra. Ubadang syudat penyesok Shen Syaka Bharatiya Janata Party ula penpau ba ula Shoh ban penyesok bat kani keseng sang pertai kadai hadian ke Jingied Ïakynduh Chongki yaki he ka sarkar pedeng kumu Rajnath kiran Rijiju halor kamat banyakran kabayadai bat kamang tingka bat tingka 6,000 klur Syaki Autonomous District Council jongathan chatai lamingi ha ka jingalang pedang buram yo ba ji elingdo bat ka kenhun kabalalong ha ka arpo atrik mentau naiweng ha Assembly Hotel.
I would just like to highlight how I fell in love and wanted to join the BJP. BJP till 2015, early 2015, never even ran across my mind. But when we got the executive committee there in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, we had a lot of financial problems, and ultimately we had approached the state government for relief. But definitely we were turned with deaf ears. Then I sat with my CEM, then we said we must approach Delhi. So approaching Delhi, just the 3 ADCs of Meghalaya, would be rather difficult. So we decided to form the Focus, the federation of the district councils of the 6th schedule within the Northeast. So there are 10 district councils all over the region. And we had a meeting in Pinewood, and the chairman was elected. Bapin Bichain CM was elected as the chairman, and W.G. Thausen, the CEM of North Charles, was elected as the general secretary. And from there we moved ahead in meeting the central leadership of the BJP party. We were amazed because the chairman and the secretary of Focus were actually CMs, the district councils which were Congress led. And when we approached Shri Rajnath Singh ji and Kiran Rijiju ji for appointments, we were amazed to get it there and then. We simply handed a memorandum, and ultimately we were called to Delhi. And to my amazement again, when we were in Delhi, it took us just 1 hour to get an appointment with Arun Jaitley ji, the finance minister. Then we approached him. It was a 15 minutes discussion, and we left him. Then he said, please contact Kiran Rijiju ji, he is the man for you all. Ultimately we met him, and in 2 months time, we got a notice, we got an information from Delhi citing that a total of 1,000 crores had been allotted to the different ADCs of the Northeast. I was shocked and amazed to see at how fast things could work and how simple the leadership is, even though they hold huge posts at the center. They did spare time. And do you know what was the comment of Arun Jaitley ji when we got the appointment? Because somebody had went and asked for the appointment and said, some people from Northeast has come, can you meet them? He said, they've come a long way. Yes, why not? I'll give them. They should meet me. I was amazed at the humility of these central leaders. And from then onwards, I started feeling BJP in my heart. I was a congressman since the first day I voted. I am not complaining. I have never complained about the Congress party, but the leadership as of today has failed the Congress party.